Hello, Bowen Island. It's March 27th, and I'm Mayor Gary Ander, here with a quick update about COVID-19 in our community. First of all, I want to thank everyone for doing their part and following the advice of the provincial health officer. I'm very proud of our community and the measures we are taking to help prevent this spread of COVID-19. I can see that our essential businesses are adapting to keep providing services while still complying with the public health officer requirements. And we're doing our best to support them during this difficult and unprecedented time. I know we've all heard this before, but right now I want to reiterate the physical distancing is the best way we can prevent the spread of this virus. And we're counting on you to make this happen. We need to take these measures to protect ourselves and those who are most vulnerable in our community. So please stay home as much as possible. If you do need to go out to get groceries or medical supplies, something essential, keep 2 meters or 6 feet away from others. And if you are sick, please stay home. As our provincial officer has said, these measures are not optional. They are the law. There was some new measures come out by the province on Wednesday. We heard about them on Thursday, and there are quite a few different restrictions. There will be no more local state of emergencies. Everything is being controlled by the province, so we will have to go through the provincial health officer for any requirements we might need. And they have reinforced our different segments of our municipality. The bylaw officers can now go around, which they could before, and educate people about social distancing and that sort of thing, and warn them to stay, we don't want people in groups, that sort of thing. So we're looking at that, and we're very happy with the direction that the provincial government is going at this time. Anyway, taking these measures will also protect our essential service workers who are working tirelessly to get through this pandemic. Our health workers, our first responders, our grocery, food, and beverage suppliers, and our transportation and delivery personnel. Our municipal outside workers are also essential. They're on the front lines out there while we stay home, so we need to do our part to help them to alleviate the, we don't want to be outside, and all these essential workers. And I must say, they don't, it's not a requirement that they do this job. Most of these essential workers are doing this job for the love of the community, the love of Bowen Island. So take a time, and when you do see our essential workers, the people that are keeping all our facilities operational, and it's not easy, thank them, because they're really contributing very well to our well-being as we go through this period. Our Emergency Operations Center team is working hard and coordinating our local response and posting regular updates on our website at bowenislandmunicipality.ca. There's a tremendous amount of information there. I encourage you to check in regularly to see what we've been working on, read our frequently asked questions about local issues, and subscribe to receive our updates. Just a couple of notes on the municipal hall operations. Your municipality is stabilizing at this point, obviously, as our staff becomes more familiar with the electronic communication and meetings technology. We actually had a council meeting on Monday night, and which was it worked very well for us, and we managed to get some members of the public in. We were, unfortunately, at the time, we weren't taking local addresses, public addresses, but in the future we will attempt to do that. And pretty soon, as we get through this, the municipality is just in position now where we're feeling pretty comfortable with the technology. And rather than just trying to put out fires day to day, we're going to start getting back into the business of running the municipality and get to our bylaws and that sort of thing. As I said, please reach out and help sort of our essential services people. Just make sure that they know how much you appreciate what they're doing out there. we're going to get through this. We get information all day long about how things are going. I wouldn't say we're on our way out of this right now, but we're certainly, it's not a lot worse than it was. And we will get through it. And as Bowen Islanders, we know how to make this work. Just hang in there, Bowen Island. We may be 6 feet apart, but we're all in this together. Thank you very much. Be well. Try to stay healthy. That's the only way that we can help everybody else out too. And look after our more vulnerable people out there and the fragile people that might be in your neighborhood. You know, it's nice that for people that are very limited in their access, it's nice to just sort of touch bases with them and make sure they have what they require, and and a little social contact is always nice. So thank you very much, and we'll give you an update as required or next week. Stay healthy, and bye for now.